Last year we had a hobbler, and it was still really hard.
Yeah, she would jump up with both legs like a kangaroo.
Yeah, it was wild.
Three. Six. There's six. Yay.
Go on.
Ta-da.
She's always scaring me when I skip.
Come here, silly goat. There you go. There you go.
I'm going to get her some more.
Grace, what are you giving?
Her minerals and her worm.
Hey, Raven.
You're not gonna brush her first and then give her something, right?
Come on. Come help us. Hey there. You want to see the goats?
Morning, everybody.
He loves the goats. Hey.
Lucy, it's your turn.
Let her get up there.
She knows it's good.
Uh-oh. Pop up. She will. Just give her a second. Pop up.
Ooh, got him.
Careful, I'm trying to bite you.
I know. Donald, you're such a goose. Now you know why they say don't be a goose.
Why?
Because they're kind of aggressive and naughty.
But he didn't look at
Grace, what you doing?
I'm getting the silky inner check so I can put them in the brooder.
And why do we want to put them in the brooder?
Because they're so small, they can go right through the fence, and then our cat won't eat them.
Yeah, that's a really
Our
good
cat
reason.
can also go through the fence.
We think she hatched out 6 of 10 eggs, was that?
9.
9 eggs, okay.
What if all the other chicks die?
Well, they've been hatched out for 2 days, so we think that
I have
she's
some
done.
chicks underneath her wings. Oops.
Sorry, guys.
All right, grab her babies. I only see 5, Grace.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Where's the other one? Oh, okay. Hi, Flopsy.
Why she want to watch?
Yeah, there's 3 that didn't hatch right there. We'll open them and see what's in them just to see what's going on. I don't really love doing that, but it's also nice to see were they just not formed properly, were they not fertile. It's just nice to know. Hi, little baby. Is that the silky baby?
No. Silky baby is like 5 times smaller.
Oh. She's like, get under me. I love how she like herds them under her. It's so cute.
And then we're under her wings.
I know.
There's a silky baby. That's a silky baby. Or is it a bantam? See? That's a bantam.
No, we didn't put any bantam eggs under her.
Can I hold it?
I might have.
They are under her wings.
Isn't that cute?
Oh, look at that. That's so funny.
Oh, look. There's one up under there.
Under her wings.
I know. It's so cute. Look, she's going to say, get under me. There he goes.
The rest is for Braveheart.
No, Braveheart doesn't get green. He's a buck. I know.
Donald's sleeping on one leg.
Is he sleeping?
Yeah.
He's probably just enjoying that sunshine, huh?
He's standing on one leg.
He's cute. So even after they're done eating their grain, I've started giving them grain because Flopsy at least is doing 2 weeks and everyone else was bred after Flopsy. So anyway, when they're done with their grain, I keep kind of messing with their udder so that they know they have to stand still even if they're done eating. And so far it's going really well. She's doing really good. Come here. Come here, Braveheart. Come here. No.
I'll just keep brushing you.
And then minerals. Make sure you get all of it. Good job.
Like that?
Yep. Come on, ducks.
I'll hold your hand, Bretton.
Breakfast time! Yay!
Good job, you little goat.
I want each of you kids to drag one of these.
This one so I can crack this one.
Well, we may need to get a cracker. Something that'll help crack it open for us, because it's good to have a tool, the right tool.
It goes down below. Well, that's fine.
We'll need to put the food in something smaller so the babies can get it. All right, Mama. Your babies will be safe in here. You show them what to do. Oh, look at that one, it's so small. Hold up too so we can show how tiny it is. Get the smallest one in the... Oh my goodness, the difference in these chicks is so adorable. The yellow one is at least twice the size of this little brown one.
I can get some chicken wire because there's a bunch in there. And I'm going to make them a little coop and I can take them out every day for a few minutes.
That's a good idea.
These are all the walnuts I washed.
Oh, okay.
After I washed them, I stuffed them in here. This one is...
Homegrown sausage for breakfast.
Look at Wilder's alone.
And homegrown potatoes.
Those
Homegrown, homeborn, homegrown, home butchered. The whole meal is from our little farm. Okay, I'm gonna take this sausage.
It's
Wow.
Look at this.
We did it. That is one of the most satisfying feelings. Flavors.
This is the best sausage we've ever had before.
I agree. The texture is perfect.
Bacon time! Bacon time! Let's flip the bacon.
Here's the bacon.
So I'm gonna pull out this tub here. We're doing something called equilibrium curing, and we're just gonna flip it all over right now. Doesn't that look nice and beautiful? This will be in here, in these bags, for 5 to 7 days. And that's not bacon, that's called lardo. That's just back fat with salt and spices. Oh no, I'm gonna drop the bacon.
Joyful, get dressed now.
With equilibrium curing, you put the exact amount of salt that you want in your meat by a percentage of the weight. You put that exact amount in a bag and put it in the fridge, and then you know pretty much exactly how much, what the concentration of salt's going to be in your final product. This is the first of probably 15 loads of manure that'll come out of our barn. It's fairly nicely mixed with hay and straw, and it will compost really well. We've got a load of manure in the garden. It's gonna be great for our garden. So we're putting it in piles for it to compost, probably for use next year. We'll see how it breaks down. This is an area we kept pigs in here, and it's pretty compacted from the pigs. Just compare keeping pigs in your garden versus all this from keeping pigs in a stall. Which do you think is better for your soil? Just a thought. Load 2. Trip number 3. There it is. We took a third load up to the garden, unloaded it. Now I'm just shutting up the barn. Chickens, 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 chickens. Watch out. I would say that including this stall, this goat stall here, and the chicken stall I'm going to shovel out, I've probably brought up less than a quarter of the total bedding, which is terrible because I spent hours on this today. But it's great because it's just that much compost material for our garden. With all the meat we've put in the freezer in the past couple days, all from animals we raised, and with apple trees about to burst into bloom and pop out new leaves, this is an exciting season as we're getting ready to put in a big garden and looking towards this growing season on our homestead. Thank you so much for joining us for this video. It's been another great day on the homestead. Bye bye.